Hi, it's Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com. Quick video at a request of a user in our Discord group. I'm going to put the link down in the description for the Discord group. He's already got the VWAP, and he's also looking at how to combine that with the Elliott Wave for day trading. So when you're day trading futures, just be aware that Elliott Wave looks ugly, but the principles are still the same. And with the Elliott Wave Indicator Suite, we always trade the fifth wave. Okay, so I'm going to do two examples. I'm going to do a currencies future with 6B on the 5-minute time frame from last Friday. I'm recording this on Saturday, and also CL oil futures as well. So one of the things that we need to do each day is isolate the start of the trend. Okay, so it's obvious when you are getting these lows and you're getting a slightly higher high there, a slightly higher low, sorry, you're going to isolate the lows here. With the NinjaTrade, it's very simple. We just click the mouse, click F5, and it realigns everything there. So we need to go to these lows here, click F5, and that sets the Elliott Wave for the day really. So if it's trending, it's trending. If it's not, you won't get a fifth wave move. So combining those two together though with the VWAP Predator, we can see there are some fantastic opportunities as we start to go into that early into the US morning, through that sort of lunchtime of Europe, where we get some great VWAP signals. So this third wave is the biggest, it's the impulse wave, but actually to use the VWAP to get into this wave, there are multiple opportunities to get those buys into that third wave. We then we get the oil pit open, and that's a catalyst a lot of the time for the US dollar, and we can see the 6B does get some weakness against the US dollar there, and we get that wave 4 pullback. The wave 4 finds support and hangs on to this last zone here, this red zone. So there's a 75% probability that the fifth wave, and that's the trade we want to trade with the Elliott Wave, is going to hit this fifth wave target, and it did. Okay, so this was the long, and then that's your trading over for the day. You're getting buy signals during that third wave move. Okay, pulls back into the pullback zones, measures the pullback zones, and then we get the fourth wave actually pivot just here, all hanging on to this last zone, and we get an aggressive entry there at 1, 2, 4, 4, 7 here, or again we then get a VWAP buy signal at this point here, some big reaction to news there, and it goes up and hits the fifth wave target zone, which is automated, and then finds resistance and moves its way back down again. So that's 6B. Just going to pause the video. Okay, and this is CL. So forget all of this. This was me testing the automated strategy builder on something else, but obviously this is my live account, so it's showing all the orders and everything here. So what I did here was we can isolate the wave even at the previous day here. We can see towards the end of the evening we had some bullish moves up to this wave 3 on the VWAP Predator. We had a wave 4 pullback and it hit the fifth wave target zone. Fantastic. Okay, so then we're going into the next European morning. We're getting a lot of ABC corrections here. Does find a low. We get a VWAP Predator buy at this point here. Fantastic trade all the way up. We get another buy signal here, but it's near the top, and you probably wouldn't take that. Even if you did, it was probably a break-even trade. Then we start to come down as after that oil pit open, and we keep coming down. Then we get a sell signal on the VWAP Predator. We're now trading that third wave. We go short all the way down to this point. Wave 3 prints on the Elliott Wave Indicator Suite. We get a wave 4 into the amber zone. Okay, it does come back down, finds support, comes back up to test that same wave 4 pivot point, and then eventually comes down and hits that fifth wave target zone there. So that's Friday. So it's both trades on Friday, 6B and CL. Combining those are very, very, very simple. Now, you won't get an Elliott Wave trade every day. Something has to trend, then it has to pull back against the trend on a wave 4, and then you trade the fifth wave target zone. But what the VWAP Predator does is allows you to get on early on that trend, like we've shown you with 6B and with CL here, and this is a fantastic opportunity. But then when we are getting those ABC corrections, we can still get in with the VWAP Predator for some great opportunities just like here. But when we start to trend or in a mega trade with the VWAP Predator like this is here, and then it pulls back, the Elliott Wave gives a secondary opportunity to get another trade for that trading session. So hopefully that makes sense. This is the Ninja Trader version. I'm going to put links to the versions for all of the VWAP Predators and all the Elliott Wave indicator suites. Great combination. Remember, those VWAPs are going to get you in, and if that starts trending, fantastic. You get a really big move on the VWAP Predator. 8 times out of 10, that pullback will happen against that trend. Elliott Wave indicator suite will measure it, and then you'll trade the return to that trend with that 5th wave move. Hopefully that helps. Speak to you all really soon.